Hi everyone, here's what we did for today on August 25th. First thing we did was we answered the SEL question. We did the Tuesday Bellringer. We talked about the wagon train at dusk homework. And we completed the All About Me. So let me go ahead and open up the SEL question. Okay, in order to open up the SEL question, make sure you click on your Google Classroom. You're going to go to Classwork. And you're going to look under resources for 6th grade ELAR level 2 Padlet or level 1 or 7th grade reading, depending on which class you have. So the question was examples of growing up. So I put chores, learning how to study, okay, different things that you can put. So in order to respond, you're going to hit the little plus sign. Pencil is going to appear. You put your name and you put your response. Next thing we're going to talk about is the work for today. So we're going to go to Classwork. We're going to choose the All About Me. We're going to do Bellringer first. Then we're going to do All About Me. So on the Bellringer, I posted a video on how to complete day 1 if you have not completed day 1. So here is day 2. All right, so we're going to do a brainstorm. What are some of the challenges of growing up? So some people were saying that they could not write, they could not respond to the question. They didn't have a text box. What you're going to do is you're going to hit Insert and you're going to choose Text Box. Also, you can hit the T and create a box. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 text boxes. Okay, so you got to do some of the challenges of growing up. So what I did was I said chores. Chores are when you have to do things around the house, like cleaning your house. So when you're like 3 years old, you don't have to clean the house like making the bed and cooking dinner or doing the laundry. As you get older, your mom or your dad or your guardian makes you do more and more chores, more things to help around the house. That's a challenge of growing up. Another challenge of growing up is learning how to drive. So when you turn like around 15, 16 years old, you can take the test to get your license. When you're 5 years old, you cannot take that test. You're too young. So that is a challenge to growing up. You need to complete these 4 boxes, okay, and think of 4 other examples that are challenges of growing up. When you finish that, you're going to go back to the Google Classroom. You're going to click on Classwork, and you're going to find the All About Me assignment. So I'm going to click on my assignment. And here is the one that I produced. I have 2 pics, my name, my Bitmoji, my 2 favorite books or movies, a quote, and 4 facts about me. So you have to do the same thing. You must put your name, 4 facts about you, 2 books or movies that you like, or 1 and 1, a quote, and 2 pictures of yourself. So right here is where you're going to put your information. So it says type your name here. So right here, I'm going to type my name. The next box, I'm going to put my book or my movie. So I can write the name of the book or the movie, or I can search an image. Okay? So if my favorite movie is Wonder Woman, so I'm going to look for the movie and maybe I'll insert an image of the Wonder Woman movie. Okay? A quote. Some people are asking me what a quote is. If you don't have a quote, you can go to Google, search quote, And there's tons of different quotes, okay? Quotes about being happy, about positive, love, anything being beautiful. Okay, you find one, you can type it, or you can put an image. It's up to you. But you need one quote in your assignment. And then you need 2 pictures of yourself. So if you don't have a picture, that's okay. Tomorrow I can take a picture of you and then I can insert it. Okay, so that is your job. This is due tomorrow. Let's continue. Okay, you also have homework to do. So your homework is to listen to the audio summary. So you're going to go to the Classwork tab, go down to where it says Wagon Train at Dusk Audio Summary. You're going to click on this link and it's going to take you to the wagon train. So you have to sign in using your Google account. I'm sorry, your student account, your Northeast account. It's going to ask you some questions, okay? So once it asks you the questions, this is what the assignment looks like so you can see it. It's going to take you 38 seconds. Right here, you're going to hit play so you can hear the assignment, okay? When you finish, there's a little check mark right here. You can put this in Spanish or you can put it in English. It's up to you. Or you can go to the next page. You look right here, you can go to page 2. Page 2 has it in Spanish, okay? So you need to listen to the summary. It's 38 seconds. And that's the assignment that you have to do for today.